Welcome back, everybody, and today we have a special Father's Day episode. This is being filmed on Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. All that hard work that you guys do, happy Father's Day to you guys. But jumping right into the video, as you can see, we have the CT5-V and we have a very special mod that we just got in for the CT5-V, and it's looking a lot better now, and you can see it here. We're gonna jump around to the back of the vehicle, and we have just got in from Extreme Online Store the carbon fiber lip spoiler. And guys, this spoiler looks incredible on the car. It looks absolutely incredible. Contributes to the stance and the look of the car, and from the back it just looks incredible. You guys can see that carbon fiber, guys, just looks incredible on the car. Really makes a huge difference to the overall look of the car, and the side profile just looks way better. We do have a couple more things coming for the car as well, so stay tuned for that. But this spoiler from Extreme Online Store, quality is very, very good. It's a little dirty, the car, the spoiler, but guys, that quality is very, very nice and just looks incredible on the car. Give you a look from the rear here. Look, just completely changes the look on this car. Completely changes the look, guys. So go over to Extreme Online Store if you want to pick one of these up. The install is super easy because the spoiler that we have on the CT5-V, I'll show it to you in a sec here, it is not bolted in. So guys, the spoiler is here. So this is the spoiler that comes on the car. This is just the little lip spoiler that you get on the car, and this sits obviously right there. It's sat right there on the trunk there, and it's a trunk lid spoiler. Now on the underside of this spoiler, these are some clips, but they're not clipped into the actual car. They're not drilled in. They're just basically just they kind of sit there, and all it is 3M. Like you can see the 3M tape here around the sides. All that black there is the 3M tape that we had to take off. So that's all it is. What you should do is, if you have a heat gun, use a heat gun, and that 3M will come up pretty easily, and just get some fishing line and just go right under it, between this and where the trunk was, right under there with a heat gun. This will come off super easily, and then all you have to do is just get an adhesive remover or anything really that would clean off the rest of this adhesive from being on the lid of the car. And then all you will do is just put some 3M on the bottom side, just where this was of the new spoiler, and that will be it. And then you will just place it down right on the trunk here. You just want to make sure the back is just lined up with kind of the edge of the trunk, and you want to make sure it's centered. So you want to make sure the center is in line with the Cadillac logo there, right in the middle of that Cadillac logo. You want to make sure it's about centered, just so it looks even on either side. Of course, you know, you could measure if you wanted to, but just about centered anywhere is it makes it look amazing. And guys, that is the old spoiler, and that is the new carbon fiber spoiler from Extreme Online Store. So guys, we will again leave their link in the description for you to purchase this spoiler. Guys, it's worth every penny. Amazing quality spoiler. Completely transforms the look of this car. And I have their mirror caps on as well. So we have the carbon fiber mirror caps matched up with the spoiler. Guys, the car looks incredible. I'll give you a side profile. The car looks incredible. And the spoiler sticks on there very nice. They give you the 3M tape. All you have to do is just tape the bottom just like this was, just around the inside, just around the edge like that. That's all you do, and you'll stick it right on to the trunk. And guys, I love how it just wraps around on either side. It's a massive spoiler, and it just wraps around on either side. Looks super clean, completely transforms the look of the car. Just looks incredible. So guys, pick yourself up one of those spoilers. Maybe it's a Father's Day gift, get someone to buy it for you, but pick one of these up. They are amazing quality, and the fit is phenomenal. It fits on there so well, and it completely, like I said, transforms the look of the car. And it goes with the blue paint, the electric blue paint, with the carbon fiber accents. We have the carbon fiber mirror caps, like I said, and then carbon fiber spoiler as well. Guys, looks incredible. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one of those for Father's Day on Extreme Online Store. That's the old, guys. Big upgrade to this new carbon fiber spoiler, worth every penny. So that will do it for this video on the spoiler from Extreme Online Store. Pick yourself up one. If you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and we have lots of content coming, so stay tuned for that. And guys, drop in the comment section below, let us know, do you have one of those spoilers? Do you have a Blackwing with the spoiler? Do you have or do you plan on getting the spoiler for your car? Let us know. Any comments, any concerns down in the comment section below, and we will see you all in the next one.